Ever wondered how quickly your money can grow? Let's talk about a little secret called the Rule of 72. This rule reveals the magic behind doubling your investment over time. Ready? Let's dive in. Imagine you put $1,000 into an investment with a 6% interest rate. How long until it doubles? You simply divide 72 by that interest rate. 72 divided by 6 equals 12. So in 12 years, your $1,000 transforms into $2,000. Incredible, right? And what about a higher interest rate, let's say 12%? Here, it only takes 6 years. See? The higher the return, the faster your money blooms. Invest wisely. The Rule of 72 isn't just about making money. It's about proving that investing is crucial for wealth. Think about it. Inflation works in reverse. If you just save, the value of your money shrinks over time. So, if you're not investing, you might as well be standing still while your cash fades away. Now here's your challenge. Use the Rule of 72 to your advantage. Subscribe to Boring Finance Tips for more simple investing lessons. Let's grow your future together.